If you are looking for a Formly lifetime deal or a Formly review, you came to the right place on Lifetime Deal Updates. Now new Appsumo offers Formly lifetime deals for you with discounts. If you need Formly Appsumo lifetime deal, to check it out right now. Key features: works offline, signature, add image, calculator, works on all devices, pre-populate and dispatch, skip logic, Formly quick overview, build custom digital forms and checklists to help your team collect richer data anytime, anywhere, even offline. Generate the customized quotes and collect payments. Best for data entries, small businesses, and startups. How does Formly work? Explore these examples to see how it is used in business, education, and healthcare. Easily build custom digital forms and checklists to help your team collect richer data anytime, anywhere, even offline. Inspection, maintenance, quality control, health and safety, field marketing, any other custom data collection form you need. Easily create online digital forms and keep information secure. Forms and surveys, facilities inspection, customer feedback, sales lead form, customer consent, payment form, any other custom data collection form you need. Easily create online digital forms and keep student information secure. Instructors, course feedback survey, sign-off forms, assessment marksheet, online quizzes, extracurricular sign-up forms, any other custom data collection form you need. Administrations, school inspection form, parent consent, scholarship application forms, alumni donation forms, event and conference registration forms, course evaluation forms. Easily create online digital forms to enroll, educate and track student progress. 1. Collecting student data and feedback on campus and in a clinical workplace. 2. OSCE assessments. 3. Admission data. 4. Clinical audits. 5. Research data. 6. Any other custom data collection form you need. Easily collect and manage patient-sensitive data. 1. Patient registration. 2. Patient consent. 3. Patient feedback. 4. Payment form. 5. Any other custom data collection form you need. Alert: most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Formly today. One-time purchase of $99 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.